Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader in XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and as we can see, their market is under pressure. As you all know, that gold has been under pressure, and market is really giving us panic attacks to the buyers. And still gold is trading above 4,000 level, and 4,000 is a key level for the market right now, because if market slips below 4,000, then things are going to be really bad. Okay, but is there a possibility of market going below 4,000? Yes, there is a possibility of market going below 4,000 as well, if the downside doesn't stop here. Because if we look at the daily chart of gold, you can see overall the market has been bullish. There is no doubt about it. Okay, when market was under pressure, okay, you can see market was still trading above the 200 moving average. The red line that you see here, the red line is the 200 moving average. Throughout the world, in any market, you will always see 200 moving average plays a very crucial role for determining the trend of the market. And if a market slips below 200 moving average or trades below 200 moving average, okay, it is considered that the market is bearish or under pressure. And here we can see that recently gold has slipped below 200 moving average, and right now we can see that there is pressure on the chart. Obviously, the structure of the market is also not very positive. We can see lower lows and lower highs, but yes, gold is also trading below 200 moving average, which is not a very good sign. Okay, so if you are a buyer, then obviously you need to be patient, because for the investment purpose or for long-term buyers, okay, every dip is an opportunity. But yes, if you are looking for some quick profits, or if you are planning to buy and sell within the next couple of days, then it may not be the right time, because as we can clearly see that yes, there is pressure. You can see gold is down by 2.12% here. So let's look at the trading opportunities for Monday then. For that, we need to move to the hourly time frame. So let's discuss one by one then. So in a previous video, we discussed selling opportunities around 4200, and remember 4184, 4185. Yes, 418485 gave us a good opportunity to sell. Okay, 4200 did not come to the scene. On Monday, there is a possibility that market will be heading towards 4200. Why? Because the market has already tested this particular zone. The dotted line that you see here, okay, this market has already tested this particular zone two times already. So in a next attempt, okay, for example, after the market opening, if gold starts going up, there's a possibility that instead of this particular zone, market will be heading towards 4200, the red line that you see here. So 4200 is the first resistance. Why 4200 is a resistance? Because it's a round number, psychological level. Technically, there is nothing as such here. So if you see a market going up and it is a weak upside, means if you see the market is going up with small candles, then we can look for a selling opportunity on 4200. If market shows price rejection from above, we can look for a sell position. On the other hand, if you see market crossing 4200, then we have the strongest resistance. Yes, mind my words, strongest resistance around the box that you see here. Yeah, 420030. The box that you see here is the strongest resistance on the chart of gold. Why? Because the previous support will be working as resistance. So on the chart of gold, we have two resistances, 4200 and 422030. If market goes up with weak upside, small candles, 4200 should act as the resistance, and we can look for a sell position. Okay, but in case market breaks it, Then we can look for a selling opportunity on 4220, 4230. Okay, and stay in touch with the news, because as we all know, any news during the weekend will have a direct impact and market may go crazy on Monday. But if market behaves normally, then we can look for selling opportunities around these two levels. Do not trade blindly. There are many levels on every chart, but you cannot trade on every level. Okay, trader only trades when the opportunity is right. Do not be a gambler. Okay. So these are the two selling opportunities on the chart of gold. Okay, now after the market opening, if gold starts going down, then we can look for a sell below 4120. The black line that you see here, yes, if market drops, we can look for a sell position. There's a high chance that market will drop, okay, because of the current market structure. We have seen on the daily chart also that yes, there is pressure on the chart of gold. Technically gold is bearish right now. Okay, so if market drops below 4120, boom, we can look for a sell position as well. Okay, and as I have already said, 4000 is going to be a very crucial level. So here technically we can see 4020. The blue line that you see at the bottom is a very crucial role. If market drops also, I feel that as a day trader you can expect at least one bounce, because buyers around 4000 are not going to surrender that easily. At this moment, trend of the market is down. There is no doubt about it. Okay, and obviously sellers are in dominant position. They will try to take the market down, but obviously buyers around 4000 will give a fight. So if market takes support and goes for a bounce, as a day trader you can look for a buy position, temporary buy position. Yes, temporary buy position. Okay, do not think that I will buy and forget. No. Okay, it can be very risky. And in case after breaking 4120, मतलब 4120 को तोड़ने के बाद if market comes down with weak downside, मतलब small candles, okay, not very big candles, then there is a possibility that market may take support around 4064, 4060 as well. The black line that you see here. So after the market opening, if market drops, we can look for a sell below 4120. Okay, and if the downside means if you see the market is going down, but candles are not very big, small candles, then we can look for a sell around, buy around 4064, 6460. If market takes support, one or two candle only. But yes, there is a high chance that around 4000, 4020, buyers will give a tough fight. Okay, and as we all know, if market breaks 4000, then obviously things are going to be dangerous, chaos, bloodbath. Okay, and if gold goes up this time, okay, there is a possibility that market may not reverse from 418485 that we discussed in a previous video, but this time we should be looking around 4200. Not a good level, not a major level 4200, but it's a round number, and in this weak market we can expect. And the best resistance is around 422030. Okay, now let's wait and watch. Okay, and stay in touch with the news. As we all know, any news during the US and Iran war or the peace agreement will have a direct impact. Okay, so that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.